Here's a list of cleaning and maintenance tasks that your front of house staff can be working on right now. Many dining rooms are closed right now due to the safety concerns and regulations to prevent the spread of COVID-19. With many businesses looking to utilize the PPP funding to bring their valuable teams back on staff, and with the reality that many will be unable to have their patrons inside their operations, staff everywhere have a unique opportunity to do some work on their restaurant dining spaces. We teamed up with the food service experts on our contract and design team, many of whom used to work on the front lines of restaurant operations. We then compiled projects that you can start on right now. Consider putting your front of house staff to work on these projects. Shampooing carpets. With the dining rooms closed, now is the perfect opportunity to get this done with plenty of time for your carpet to dry. If you don't own this equipment yourself, you can hire out this job or check locally for rentals. While you got the furniture pulled to the side, now's the perfect opportunity for tightening and touch-up. Inspect your stools, chairs, and tables for quick fixes. Tighten bolts, nuts, and screws on the seating and table bases, and don't forget to check where the tabletops attach to those bases. Touch up the scuffs on the chairs and tables, but make sure you're using an appropriate material on areas where food will be served. For areas that will not be in contact with food, you can use markers and shoe polish to repair scuffed wood. Nail polish can be used to match color in some instances. Rubber cement or a quick sewing job can repair seat cushions. Now is the perfect opportunity for wall cleaning and painting projects too. Pull your booths and tables away from the walls and thoroughly clean behind them. Address all public areas, including your entryways, your hallways, the restrooms, and the dining room walls. Remember, cleanliness will be on everyone's mind as things get back to normal, and a fresh coat of paint will do wonders to keep your space looking clean. And here's some projects for your beverage service stations and waitstaff stations. These areas are usually in view of the customers, so use this time to thoroughly clean and sanitize them. Here are some ideas of what you could clean: the drains, the drip trays and slop lines, the sides of the machines and behind the soda machine. Deep clean your coffee makers, air pots, and decanters. Clean out the inside of those menu boxes. Clean your ice bins and your water dispensers. Clean and reorganize the host and hostess stand. Clean underneath all edges. Basically, clean anything you don't have a recent memory of cleaning. Seize the day and clean your dining room. A super clean restaurant will leave a lasting impression when your customers come back. And remember, if you applied for the PPP part of the CARES Act, the labor costs for these improvements may be forgiven by Uncle Sam. If you need any supplies or have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're still here and we're ready to help you. Just visit our website at starfoodequipment.com or give us a call at 1-800-594-9434.